Okay, in the last video we had already installed the MetaTrader. Now I have to restart my server again because it keeps switching to energy saving mode. If we turn everything off, it might be better. Somehow you can't find anything here now. So where is our MetaTrader installation? Normally you can find this script in the home directory. There's another one here. This refers to the installation, just like this one. If we go to the settings at the top, we can say that we would like to show hidden files. This also works with Control+H. And if you do that, you can see that these slightly hidden folders appear here. Actually, a desktop file should also be created. Why mine was missing is a mystery to me. In any case, it worked during the second installation. And after we have started the MetaTrader, we can now set up an account here. Let's choose Metaquotes for a demo account. Now we have to fill out this form. This would correspond to a deposit of 500 euros on a cent account. The leverage of 1 to 500 is relatively difficult to get in Germany and Europe. I use it all the time with my broker RoboForex. I agree to the terms and conditions for opening the account, click on Next, and here I get my access data for the demo account. Now another package is being installed. But that's pretty quick. And here is our demo account ready for trading. The setup was successful so far. Then our account should be connected and available immediately, and we are ready to make the settings in the next video to proceed with automated trading.